The Pi network has recently sparked significant interest and controversy due to its reported listings on various cryptocurrency exchanges, with some astonishing trading values that seem too good to be true. For instance, at one point, a single Pi coin reportedly reached an all-time high of $6,050 on one exchange, while another recorded a staggering $35,000. This video aims to clarify what is happening with Pi network listings and what it means for both the network and its users, known as pioneers. You are welcome to Crypto World Educate. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe and the like button, and don't forget to toggle on the notification button so as to not miss further updates from this channel. Many pioneers are puzzled by the appearance of Pi coins on multiple exchanges. To simplify the situation, it is crucial to refer to an official statement from the Pi core team. The team asserts that the network has no connections with these exchanges and that the Pi coins being traded do not represent the actual Pi tokens. According to the core team, the network's design makes it impossible for Pi to be listed or traded legitimately at this time. Any listings claiming to represent Pi are considered a violation of the network's policy. The key point to understand here is that what's being traded on these platforms are not Pi coins, but Pi IOU. These IOUs are essentially placeholders or promises that are supposed to be exchanged for actual Pi coins once the network fully launches its mainnet open network. Currently, these IOUs can be bought using other cryptocurrencies like USDT, but it is impossible to deposit or withdraw actual Pi coins from these exchanges. Engaging in trading Pi IOUs carries significant risks. For starters, since Pi coins cannot currently be deposited or withdrawn, there's a risk of your account being banned by Pi network for participating in these unauthorized trades. Furthermore, even though exchanges might owe you Pi coins in the future when and if Pi transitions to an open mainnet, relying on this promise involves substantial uncertainty. There is no guarantee that these exchanges will fulfill their obligations to convert IOUs into actual Pi coins. For pioneers and potential traders, the situation with Pi network listings on exchanges is fraught with confusion and risk. The trading of Pi IOUs not backed by any actual Pi tokens, coupled with the network's clear stance against such activity, should be approached with caution. As exciting as the prospects may seem, the reality is that until Pi officially launches on a mainnet, any trading of Pi-related assets is speculative and not officially sanctioned by the Pi core team. As the Pi network continues to develop and moves towards its open mainnet phase, pioneers and investors need to stay vigilant and informed about the changes and developments within the network. Here's what you can do to navigate this evolving situation more effectively. Always rely on official communications from the Pi network's core team for the most accurate and reliable information. The landscape of cryptocurrency can change rapidly, and it is vital to base your decisions on verified sources to avoid scams and misinformation. IOUs are essentially bets on the future availability of Pi coins, not the coins themselves. As such, they carry risks that are fundamentally different from trading actual cryptocurrencies. Understanding the speculative nature of these instruments is crucial to making informed decisions. Before engaging in any transactions involving Pi IOUs, carefully assess the risks involved. Consider the legal implications, the possibility of account suspension, and the risk that the IOUs may never be converted into actual Pi coins. Weigh these risks against the potential rewards, keeping in mind the speculative nature of these trades. The long-term success of Pi network depends on various factors, including the successful launch of its mainnet and adoption by users and businesses. The speculative trading of IOUs may have short-term financial appeal, but it's important to consider how these actions align with the long-term viability and ethos of the network. The Pi network has a large and active community of pioneers. Engaging with this community through official forums and social media can provide additional insights and updates. Community discussions can also offer a sense of the general sentiment and potential future directions of the network. The world of cryptocurrency is inherently volatile and uncertain. Whether you are holding Pi IOUs or waiting for the launch of the Pi mainnet, it's important to prepare for all possible outcomes, including scenarios where the value of IOUs may not be realized as hoped. The intrigue surrounding the Pi network and its purported exchange listings is a reminder of the complexities and risks inherent in the cryptocurrency market. While the potential for high returns can be tempting, it is essential to approach such opportunities with a well-informed perspective and a clear understanding of the risks involved. For pioneers of the Pi network, the safest course of action is to stay informed through official channels, maintain compliance with network policies, and engage with the community to navigate this uncertain terrain together. In another news update, the IO price of Pi network's token Pi has shown remarkable resilience and bullish momentum over the past week. As of today, Pi is trading at $42.02, a 24-hour trading volume of $632,912.30, reflecting a 1.36% increase in the last 24 hours and a 3.97% rise over the past week. This positive trend comes as anticipation builds for the upcoming mainnet launch of Pi network, which many investors believe could further propel the price. The increased activity and price movement suggest growing investor confidence in the potential of Pi and its underlying technology. Despite the surge in price and trading volume, the market capitalization of Pi Network remains unreported today due to the unavailability of data on the circulating supply of Pi tokens. This lack of data has not dampened the enthusiasm among traders and investors who seem optimistic about the future prospects of Pi Network. The upcoming mainnet launch is expected to be a significant milestone for Pi Network, potentially increasing the utility of Pi tokens and thereby influencing their value positively. Investors and crypto enthusiasts are closely watching the developments around Pi Network, hoping the mainnet launch will bring new functionalities and broader adoption. As the launch date approaches, the market will likely keep a keen eye on any further announcements from Pi Network that might provide insights into the future trajectory of the Pi token. Investor interest and community discussions around Pi Network have intensified, reflecting a broader consensus on the potential impact of the mainnet launch. This event is widely anticipated to transition Pi Network from a conceptual phase into a fully operational blockchain platform, which could significantly enhance the token's appeal and functionality. Market analysts suggest that the sustained price increase leading up to the mainnet launch could be attributed to speculative buying, with traders positioning themselves to capitalize on potential post-launch gains. However, as with all speculative investments, caution is advised given the volatile nature of cryptocurrency markets. On the technical front, Pi Network developers have been actively engaging with the community, providing updates and preparing for a smooth transition to the mainnet. These preparations are crucial to ensure that the network can handle increased transaction volumes and provide robust security features, which are essential for gaining user trust and encouraging wider adoption. The community around Pi Network is also playing a significant role in driving the project's visibility and credibility. Through various social media platforms and forums, members are spreading awareness, sharing development updates, and fostering a supportive environment for new users. Don't miss out on valuable insights and actionable tips that can potentially shape your financial future. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join our vibrant community of crypto enthusiasts. Together, let's unravel the mysteries of cryptocurrencies and uncover the untapped potential that lies within.